Hello students, in the previous video we have talked in class 8 geography chapter number 1. In previous video we have talked about resources, types of resources and classification of the natural resources on the basis of origin, development, renewability and distribution. Now in this video I will talk about the further topic, that is human made resource. As we have already discussed in the previous video, that the resources are classified into three, that is natural, man made and human resource. Now in this we'll talk about human resource. We have already discussed what is human resource means. Human resource are the human beings, those who are educated, those who are trained, those who are of good health, or those who are skillful. It means they are contributing for the development of the nation, like teachers, doctors, engineers, laborers, etc., mechanics, etc. So if we talk about human made resource, I'm here just a bit confusion is there. I talked about human resource. Now human made resource. Human made resource means the resources which are made by human beings. It means the natural resources which are available in the nature are converted into the usable form by the human beings. Like rocks or land is converted into roads, rock or sand is converted into buildings, trees are being converted, the wood of the trees being converted into furniture. So all these things are known as human made resource. Now, if we talk about human made resource, as the name suggests, these resources are created by human beings from the materials available in the environment. Machines, tools, buildings, and other infrastructure are all examples of human made resources. Technology is also a human made resource. Like computer is also a human made resource. Building is also a human made resource. Bungalow is a human made resource. Cloud is a natural resource, not a human made resource. Now human resource, we have already discussed what is it. Human beings are the very important, are the most important resources of the world, or on the earth. Through their knowledge, skill, talent, education, they can make the best use of natural resources. They can discover, exploit, develop, and convert the available or potential resources into useful products. Therefore, if a country wants to progress, it should first develop its human resource. Now let's take example, another thing, conserving resource. Conservation of resources, it means the careful use of the resources so that it will not going to exploit, as the natural resources are limited in nature. Okay, they are, but the population is increasing day by day and the resources are limited. So there's a need of conservation of resources. So conserving resource is very important for the resource, for maintaining the availability of resources on the earth. So using natural resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called conservation of resources. All resources should be used wisely. Not only do we need to assess our resources, but we should also protect and prevent them. In early times, the population was low and human needs were limited. They could fulfill all their needs from the surrounding. With scientific and technological advancement, human beings started using resources on a large scale. The increase in population and rising demand for various goods and minerals have already caused a damage to many valuable resources on earth. Due to misuse and overuse of resources to satisfy human greed, the quality of air, water, and land has deteriorated. Also, certain species of birds, plants, and animals have become extinct, and those who are remaining on the verge of extinction. So, this has created a situation in which non renewable resources like petroleum and coal could be exhausted after some time. Thus, a balance between population growth and the utilization of the resources is the need of the hour. So, this is a very good diagram of a conservation of resource. How we can conserve the resource by reuse, reduce, and recycle. By reuse, recycle, and reduce. 3 R's. Another important term is a sustainability of development or the sustainable development. Sustainable development means development that takes place without damaging the environment. When we use natural resources wisely for today's need and also conserve them for future generation, it is known as sustainable development. There are various ways by which we can conserve our resources. Some of them are by switching off fans and lights when not required at home or in school or at working place, by growing trees more than those being cut down, by not wasting water while bathing or washing. So, the future of our planet is linked with our availability to maintain and preserve the life support system that is provided to us by nature. So, the United Nations in the Brundtland Commission report used the term sustainable development for the first time in 1987.